everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss that the Mutoh XpertJet 661 has a built-in laser. Let's take a look. Now, when I say that the printer has a built-in laser, I don't mean like the one that we have over here that we use for all of our laser engraving and laser cutting. It is actually similar to the one that I have here that we use for playing with our cats. It is used to line up your substrate and make sure that that's in there properly, and so that way you're not printing off the edge or not to the edge like you want your design to be. So let's take a look in the software where to enable that, and then we'll take a look inside of the UV printer and show you what it looks like inside of there as it's moving around and showing you where the substrate is supposed to be placed. Alright, so this is for the step option. So we'll go ahead and send our bed back, and I'll do the auto adjustment for the height. And then once it's back in there, we're going to get an option displayed right here to start going to each of the four corners, and that way we can make sure that our substrate is in there exactly where it's supposed to be and we don't have any misalignments. So we'll see right down here, come up the option show edges start, so you just press enter, and then it's going to come out and then show us our number 1 position. So this would be our 0, 0 in essence. So it came out, showed us, blinked a couple times, so that's for our position 1. If we're happy with that one, then we'll go ahead and press enter for yes. It's going to go over to our number 2 position. Blink a couple times, make sure that's aligned. Everything's looking good. So again, we'll press enter. Now it's going to go back to the 3rd position. And if that's looking good, then you press enter again. And then it'll go over and show us the number 4 position. And number 4 is looking good as well. Press enter. And now it'll go back and give us the option to start printing. If we're happy with the alignment, then we just press enter for yes. Or if we need to make some adjustments, you go down to no, and then press enter, and then it'll cancel the job out, pull the bed back out, and then you can make your adjustments if needed. Alright, so now for the auto option, again the same thing, we'll go ahead and send the bed back, and it's going to go ahead and adjust the height, do all the auto adjusting. And this time, once it's back there and set into place, it'll actually automatically start coming out and then going to the 4 corners. And then once you're okay with where the placement is, it'll give you the option to start printing. Alright, so here it's going to go ahead and come out and then show us the 4 corners. So there's the first one. It'll go across and then flash for the second one. Go back to the 3rd. And then to the 4th. And now on the display down here, it'll say start printing. If you're happy with the placement, you would just hit enter for yes, and it'll start printing. If you need to make some adjustments, you go down to no, hit enter, and that'll cancel that out and you can make your adjustments. So that is it on how to use the laser within the Mutoh printer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Just put them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a great day.